Let us solve for x and y given x plus y is equal to 4, sy is equal to 10. Now, x plus y is equal to 4. Let us call this equation 1. Sy is equal to 10. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, x plus y is equal to 4. Let us make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 4 minus s. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, sy is equal to 10. Now we can now substitute for y, which is 4 minus x. S bracket 4 minus s is equal to 10. Let us open the bracket with this s multiplied by 4. That is 4x minus s multiplied by x. That is x squared is equal to 10. 4x minus x squared minus 10 is equal to 0. Then let us put this in standard form. We have minus x squared plus 4x minus 10 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. If you divide the whole of this equation by minus 1, we have minus x squared divided by minus 1. This is x squared. Then plus 4x divided by this minus 1. That is minus 4x. Now minus 10 divided by minus 1. That is plus 10 is equal to 0. Because 0 divided by minus 1 is 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Then from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 10, s is equal to minus bracket minus 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 square minus 4 multiplied by a is 1 multiplied by c is 10 divided by 2 multiplied by a is 1. S is equal to minus times minus 4. This is 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 squared, that is 16, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 10, that is 40, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 40, that is minus 24, divided by 2. This can be written as 4 plus or minus square root of minus 24 can be written as square root of 24 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 24 multiplied by minus 1 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2. S is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Square root of minus 1 is I root 6 divided by 2. S is equal to 4 divided by 2 plus or minus 2I divided by 2 square root of 6. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. s is equal to 2 plus or minus I square root of 6. Therefore, x1 is equal to 2 plus I root 6 and s2 is equal to 2 minus I root 6. These are the values of s. We've gotten the values of s. Let us solve for y. To solve for y, from equation 3, then y is equal to 4 minus x. y1 is equal to 4 minus x1 is 2 plus I root 6, or y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 minus I root 6. y1 is equal to, if you open the bracket with this negative, we have 4 minus 2 minus I root 6. y1 is equal to 4 minus 2. This is 2 minus I root 6. This is the value of y1. Also, y2 is equal to 4 minus 2 plus I root 6. y2 is equal to 2 plus I root 6. This is the value of y2. Our final answer are s1, y1 is equal to 2 plus I root 6, 2 minus I root 6. s2, y2 is equal to 2 minus I root 6, 2 plus I root 6. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. And as you can see, the value of s1 here is equal to the value of y2 here. And the value of y1 here is equal to the value of s2 here. To check, we have the given equation s plus y is equal to 4. sy is equal to 10. Let us consider this. S plus y, we have 2 plus I root 6 plus 2 minus I root 6 must be equal to 4. This cancels this. 2 plus 2. This is equal to 4. 2 plus 3 here, we have 4 is equal to 4, which is true. Now let us consider this. Sy is 2 plus I root 6 multiplied by 2 minus I root 6 must be equal to 10. 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4. Then 2 multiplied by minus I root 6, that is minus 2I root 6. I root 6 multiplied by 2, that is plus 2I root 6. I root 6 multiplied by minus I root 6, this is minus I square multiplied by square root of 6 square must be equal to 10. This cancel this. 4 minus I square, this cancel this. Multiply by 6 must be equal to 10. Then I square is equal to minus 1. 4 minus bracket minus 1 multiplied by 6 must be equal to 10. Then minus times minus 1, that is plus 1, times 6 plus 4. 10 is equal to 10, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.